Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to download and install Bluestacks 5, which is the latest version in Windows 10. So let's get started. So just go to Google and type Bluestacks download. You will be getting the first link over here as bluestacks.com download Bluestacks. Just click that and it will be taking you to their official website, and here we'll be having Bluestacks 10, Bluestacks 5 as well. You'll be having Bluestacks 4 over here as well. If you want Bluestacks 4, which is like the previous version, you can just click on download the 64-bit. If you want the latest version of Bluestacks 5, you can just simply click on this icon over here, Bluestacks 5. Yeah, so you'll be having the Bluestacks installer downloaded. Just click on it and press open. Just click on yes and just click on install now. So it's about 157 MB in size, so just be patient till it gets downloaded. So it will take quite some time to download and install. So after that you will be having the interface like this. So if I just go to Play Store, I think you need to sign up first. Yeah, you need to sign in, and you can, like, after that you will be getting the normal Play Store app like how we have in our mobile. So this is how you do it. You can just download any game from Play Store, sign in and play it. And I hope you would have found this video useful. Mine's a programming channel. Do check the playlist of my channel. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.